I'm Virginia White, and this is my Instructional Design Spotlight on Peg Ertmer. Dr. Peg Ertmer is a Professor Emerita of Learning Design and Technology in the Curriculum Design Department at Purdue University. Dr. Ertmer achieved her bachelor's in elementary education from the University of Denver in 1973. She went on to earn her master's in special education and learning disabilities from Cardinal Stritch College in 1976. She finally earned her PhD in curriculum and instruction for Purdue University in 1995. From 1973 to 1974, Dr. Peg Ertmer served as an elementary classroom teacher. From 1975 to 1993, she was a teacher or educational diagnostician for elementary students with learning disabilities. From 1991 through present day, she taught curriculum and instruction in educational technology mainly at Purdue University. Dr. Ertmer's main research interest is on the impact of student-centered instructional approaches and strategies on learning. Delving deeper, this includes the questions: does case-based instruction improve higher-order thinking skills? Is a student-centered, problem-based learning approach effective in technology integration and STEM education? How can we encourage higher-order thinking and self-regulated learning in online learning environments? Does implementing case and problem-based learning methods enable students to become expert instructional designers? Hover over the box in the center of your screen to find out some examples of student-centered learning strategies. Some examples of student-centered learning strategies are reflective summaries, guided practice, portfolio assessment, hands-on collaborative research, and case and problem-based instruction. Dr. Ertmer has made numerous contributions to the theory and practice of instructional design. She launched Purdue's online master's degree program in learning design and technology. She is a prolific mentor and author and was the founding editor of the Interdisciplinary Journal of Problem-Based Learning. Her most notable research is in the areas of case-based instruction, problem-based learning, technology integration, and teacher beliefs. Hover your mouse over the box in the center of the screen to learn what role teacher beliefs play in technology integration in the classroom. While teachers realize that technology integration is important, first order, or external, for example, computer training, and second order, internal, for example, teacher beliefs, factors determine if teachers will actually implement technology into their curricula. While Dr. Ertmer has over 85 peer-reviewed publications, the following are her 3 most frequently cited articles: Addressing First and Second Order Barriers to Change, Strategies for Technology Integration, Teacher Pedagogical Beliefs, The Final Frontier in Our Quest for Technology Integration, and Behaviorism, Cognitivism, Constructivism, Comparing Critical Features from an Instructional Design Perspective. Dr. Peg Ertmer has published over 28 books and book chapters. Her instructional design casebook, as pictured to the right, is the text for which she is most well known. This concludes my presentation on Dr. Peg Ertmer.